Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Word on our smartphone. In case if we are not having computer or laptop, or in case if we are traveling and we want to do urgent work on Microsoft Word, then the best way is to download Microsoft Word on your smartphone, and you can do the same work like you do on your laptop or computer. And in this video I will show you how we can use Microsoft Word on our smartphone. First of all, we need to install Microsoft Word from Play Store. So on your smartphone, open Google Play Store and in search window type Microsoft Word. Here you can see Microsoft Word is there and it is showing open option because I have already installed it in my mobile. The new users are required to install it first and then they can start with work. So whenever new user open Microsoft Word or search Microsoft Word on Google Play, they will see install option instead of this green colored open. They need to click on that install option and Microsoft Word document will get installed in their smartphone. Now, since I have already installed it in my smartphone, I will directly show you how we can use Word document on our mobile phone. So here at top you can see Word icon is there. So I will simply click on this Word icon and here my Microsoft Word document has been opened. Now if I want to create new document, you can see at top right corner plus option is there. So I will click on this plus option and here it is showing us different options. So I will just scroll down and you can see different options are there. So suppose if I want to create a blank document, then I can click on plus sign and here you can see blank document option is there. Again, make a list, take notes and different options are also there. So now in general work we normally use blank document. So I will just click on this blank document and you can see our document is ready. So this Word document is the same document which we use on our laptop or computer. Here you can see at bottom formatting options are there. So now I will show you how we can type in our Microsoft Word. If you are using this on your smartphone, then the best option is that you don't need to type on your keyboard. You can directly speak and your Word document will recognize your words and will directly type for your document. Here on my keypad you can see at right side small mic icon is there. So I will just click on that icon and I will type few lines so that you will know this interesting feature of smartphone Microsoft Word document. There is no need to do manual typing. We can just click on this mic, we will speak and our sentences will get typed automatically. Now I am clicking on this mic icon to show you how we can use this voice command. Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how we can use Microsoft Word document on our smartphone. In case if you are traveling and you don't have access to computer or laptop, then the best way is to install Microsoft Word from Google Play Store and do your work on your smartphone. So here you can see how easy it is to type automatically on this smartphone Microsoft Word document. Now suppose I have finished with typing, then I can also do editing. So I will just click here and you can see text selection option is there. So I have selected this text. If I want to make it bold, I will just click on this B and my text is now bold. Now you can see italics, underline. If I want to change color, here font formatting options are there. You can see I have changed the color also. Here I will click on this button and different options are also available. If I want to increase size, you can see size increasing option is there. I click on this font and I can select different types of fonts. Now you can see my document is changing as per my settings. Here if I don't want change, you can see undo option is there. So I will simply click on this undo option. Also redo option is there. So whatever the functions available on laptop or computer Word document, the same functions are available on this smartphone Word document. Here you can see home option is there. If I can click, different options available like insert, draw. If I click on insert, you can see blank page, table, pictures, shape, text box, link, header, footer, page number, footnotes. If I click on draw, you can see draw with mouse or touch. If I want to draw something, then I can use this option, draw with mouse or touch. Here you can see amazing option of Microsoft Word. We can do any type of drawing by using this draw mouse or touch option. Also, if I click on eraser, you can see eraser option is also there. Highlighter option is there. Color options are there. So you can edit your document as per your creativity and requirements. Again, if I click on this draw button, then layout option is there, in which I can set up margins, orientation, size. Suppose I want size of A4, then I can select size. If I want columns, then I can select columns. If I want change orientation, I can change orientation. So these are the different options which we can use in our smartphone Microsoft Word version. Again, if I click on this text, you can see my text is edited as per my requirements. Again, I will click on this layout. So review option is there, in which also different options are available. So whatever the options available on laptop or computer Microsoft Word, the same options are available on this smartphone version. You just need to make your document and edit as per your requirement. Now if you have finished with your document, here you can see at top right side three dots are there. So I will click on these three dots and here you can see share option is there. So if I click on this share option, I can share in the form of link or I can share in the form of attachment. Now I am clicking on share as attachment and here I can share the document or I can share the PDF format also. Again, if I click on these three dots, you can see save and save as options and print option is also there. So if I have printer and if I have installed printer on this mobile, then I can directly give print from this mobile. There is no need to take this document on pen drive or email. So this is how we can use Microsoft Word document on our smartphone in case if we don't have access to Word document on our laptop or computer. Also, whenever you have finished with your typing and editing, there is no need to save your document. Whatever you do on Microsoft Word smartphone version, it will get automatically saved in your smartphone. Here you can see at top left side tick mark symbol is there. So I just need to click on this tick mark and it will save my document on my smartphone. Now you can see my document 4 has been successfully saved. If I want to open again, I can open the document. Now if I want to make changes in this document, here you can see first pencil option is there. So I can just click on this pencil and again I am getting different options of formatting. So this is how the simple and easy way is to have Microsoft Word on your smartphone, because it will save your time and it will also help you in such condition when you don't have access to your mobile laptop or computer. Also here you can see search option is there, and third option is mobile view. So here this document is in now mobile view. If again I click, it is in now computer or print layout view. So the smart way of using Microsoft Word document is to install Word document on your smartphone, and you can type, you can do your work as per your convenience. There is no need to have actual laptop or computer, or those who have trouble in accessing laptop or computer, they can use Microsoft Word document by installing it on their smartphone. Thank you very much for watching this video.